Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your... Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Polar Flow application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Polar Flow application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, you need to open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, you need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you will see the list of my devices. As you can see, I have quite few devices connected to my iPhone, but what you're looking for is the POLAR Vantage M3 on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here there should be option called share system notifications or something like that. If it is here, make sure it is enabled, and if you're missing it like I do, close the settings, open the Polar Flow application. I don't know if I mentioned it, I don't remember, but basically the devices need to be paired together if you want to use the notifications. So as you can see, my watch is paired with this phone, so we can tap on more devices, and I have our POLAR Vantage 3 or M3 right here on the devices page. As you can see, notifications are disabled, so let's enable them, and then let's sync the watch with our phone by pressing and holding the back button. As you can see, now it's syncing, and during the sync you should see some pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications, like this one. Once you see it, allow all of them. And now if you go back to settings, let's quickly go back to settings just to double check. Bluetooth info icon, the option is here and it's enabled automatically, but make sure it is enabled because otherwise the notifications won't work. Okay, you can go back to main page of settings and also tap on apps, and here look for the Polar Flow application. Tap on it and make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, and we can go back to Polar Flow application. Tap on more devices, scroll down, and for the notifications settings we have only 3 modes. We have always on, training on, and training off. So select one of the modes. I recommend the always on, but if you prefer not getting, for example, notifications during the training, you can select training off. If you select training on, it will also allow the notifications during the training, but you won't get them besides the training, I believe. And always on will send you notifications anyway, all the time basically. And once you select the options and you want them to be applied, you need to sync the devices together to apply the settings. So let's sync it again. And once it's done syncing, it should be working. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord basically to test it out. So let's wait until it's done syncing. Okay, and now we're gonna send a message on Discord and see if it's working. We got the notification on our iPhone, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, there should be this notification indicator, basically this red dot bouncing up and down. And if you swipe up on the screen, it will reveal the notification panel. And here we have our notification, which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.